What up, guys and gals? What's up, beautiful people? Let's get right into it. I got 4 side hustles that are not only easy to do and easy to start, but I have yet seen anybody on YouTube talk about these side hustles because of how unique they are. And the best part is that you can make up to $950 plus per day. Number 1 on the list, a self-serve mobile bar. Have you ever been to a wedding, a party, an event, and you see a self-serve mobile bar? Okay, self-serve is self-serve. Just on the tap, any drink that you want. If you want Henny, if you want Gatorade, if you want Don Julio, mixed drinks. Basically minimal quality control. And the best part is you could charge up to $1,000 plus per day. I was researching, doing my due diligence, and I saw how much people were charging for this service. And it goes by the guest. You can charge by the guest. So for example, 75 guests, you could charge $1,150 plus per day. 150 plus guests, you could charge $1,600 plus per day. 250 guests, $2,200 a day. 350 guests, $3K per day. So let's just be conservative. Let's just say on the low end, you just charge $1,000 a day. Let's say you didn't have the most aesthetic mobile bar. $1,000 a day, you did it every day, $7,000 for the week, which would give you about $28,000 per month. And that just means you just have to drop it off, make sure it's all filled up, tell your clients how to use it, how to fill it up again. If it goes empty, then come pick it up whenever they're done. You could be making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 plus. You could charge as much as you want, depending on your aesthetics and what kind of mobile bar you got. Now, how do you get started, you may ask? This is what you need, okay? By the way, before I get into that, I have a community of like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, where we all get to talk to each other, connect, learn from each other. Whether you're a business owner or you're already making a lot of money or you're trying to find your next career, this community is built for all of that. So we can all bring value to each other because we have live calls religiously, guest speakers religiously. Click the link in the description below and join today. But anyway, how do you get started? It's a business at the end of the day, so you need your business license, okay? You need your seller's permit. You need your vendor permit. Check the laws in your city to see exactly what you need. It doesn't cost that much money. Come on, if you want to be serious about business, you got to make sure you have all your documents and your legal stuff in line. You might ask the next question, do I need a liquor license? No, you don't. But you could double check this if you don't believe me. The reason why I say no is because you are not selling liquor to your clients. Your customers, your clients are buying the liquor in advance. All you're doing is just pouring it up. You're selling the service. You're selling the aesthetics, the drinks and all that, they're buying. The next thing you need is a mobile bar. Now they come in all different shapes and sizes. They can range from the very low end, $200 up to $19,000 plus. Now, it depends how you want to go about it. If you don't have a lot of money, you're just starting up, you can make $200, $300, $400 right now. Okay, go get a credit card. Go get a loan. Save money from your current job. You can do that. And then eventually work your way up to a more aesthetic, bigger, self-serve mobile bar. Obviously, the ones that are more in the low end won't be like a grand mobile bar, but it'll be small and it'll do the job. And you can still sell that and then work your way up and then eventually get the one that's $10,000, $12,000. If you want to go straight for a $4,000 or $5,000+ mobile bar, put on a credit card, finance it, get a loan, partner with somebody, because you will be making money. And obviously, if you want to make money in this world, you got to invest. Nothing's going to come free. No one's going to just hand you a mobile bar. You either have to work your way up, find out how you're going to be able to get the money and pay. You can finance it, okay? So many ways you could go about it. Number 2 on the list, painting grass green. You can make up to $1,000+ per day. The golf courses you see, for example, homes, turf, anywhere that has a lot of grass. You think the grass is green all year round? No, they gotta paint it. You think when you watch Tiger Woods on TV and you see that grass and it's just so green, you think the gardeners are just doing their thing? Nah, they paint that to make it look aesthetic, and presentation is key. So what do you need to get started? The sprayer. The hand sprayer, the backpack sprayer, the paint. The beauty about this is the paint, it's long lasting. Golf course maintenance, lawn management is very important, very essential. So they need long lasting paint. It's environmental friendly for the ones that are asking. It's safe for your kids and pets. I don't know why you guys aren't trying this right now. Pretty much all you need to get started. Now it's just up to you. How do you get clients? You gotta go door to door, go to your golf courses, go to anywhere you think that needs grass painted or turf painted and go talk to them. If they have someone already doing it, offer a cheaper rate just to build your way up. But you can make a lot lot of money. These side hustles that I'm talking about right now are getting me excited. See, these are the type of ideas that we talk about in our community. This is the type of value that we share in our community in the live calls with the guest speakers, is that you're always gonna learn something new, and we're always gonna have so many great ideas, and we're always gonna bring value to each other. So if you guys wanna join, click that link in the description below. Number 3, personal shopper or personal stylist. A personal shopper or personal stylist, it's actually more needed than you know. I'm super into fashion because I feel like it's very important how you present yourself. Presentation is always key for whoever you meet, networking, etc., all that. There's a lot of people that don't have their fashion on point. And I don't mean you gotta be dripped out. They don't know how to dress. And there's many individuals that need a stylist. They need a personal shopper. They don't have the time to buy more stuff, to look online, to go to the stores. A personal shopper, personal stylist, and I was just talking to somebody the other day in Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. She said she made 200 to 300K being a personal shopper, personal stylist. Clients will pay big money for this. Literally going to the stores, picking out outfits for your client for every event, party that they have, and they'll pay you a salary to make sure you take care of them. And you can have multiple clients. I'm just saying you can even make 500K depending on the tier of your client. How do you get started? If you feel like you have a fashion sense, you feel like you're good with fashion, build your socials. That's the most important thing. That's your resume, your Instagram, your TikTok. Dress your friends up, take great pictures, post it on your IG, make little videos, post it on your TikTok, and then when you go meet people at places like Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, or you go to Orange County, Newport Beach, you go up to them, you network, you connect, you ask them if they have a personal stylist, show them your social media. Also, being a personal shopper, you can buy gifts for people. You're kind of like also an assistant in a way. Be a good listener, care about your clients, and you would do very well in this business. So last on the list, number 4, if you don't like those first 3, maybe this one might be for you. This one requires 0 down, okay? Gucci will actually pay you $20,000 per month via affiliate marketing. All you gotta do is go to farfetch.com, okay? Be an affiliate, they'll give you the affiliate code, and then Gucci will give you all the products that you can list. You post it wherever you want, blogs, your social media, rock it on IG, give a little link, put it on the bio description. Every time somebody buys, you get paid a fat commission using your affiliate link. Now you don't only have to do Gucci, there's other brands, top brands on the Farfetch website. That one's easy to start, doesn't require a lot. Go check it out and tell me, out of these 4, which one do you guys like the best? Which one are you gonna try? Because I'm not gatekeeping here. I want everybody to be successful, okay? If you watch this channel, I care about you and I want you to eat. I want all of us to eat. You know, I appreciate bringing the value to y'all, but y'all bringing me value too. Thank you for watching the video. Like it if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Remember, I have a community of like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, people from all over the world, where we all get to learn from each other. We all get to talk to each other, text each other. We have live calls religiously, guest speakers religiously. If you're in a situation right now where you're trying to make more money, you're trying to find your next career opportunity, or you're just an entrepreneur, a business owner, and you just want to learn more, there's so much value in this community. Click the link in the description below, join, and I'll see you there. Remember guys, tomorrow doesn't exist, yesterday doesn't exist. It's about what you do right now. You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want.